I'm Leonard Celdo, and I be the host for today's podcast. And now, I have a partner that I will interview about the issue of Makati and Taguig. Please welcome Mr. Linsangan.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Mr. Leon Ashley Linsangan.
Mr. Linsangan, what's going on with the issue of Makati and Taguig?
You know, Mr. Celdo, the local city government of Makati and Taguig of the Philippines were involved in a territorial dispute. The cities claimed jurisdiction over Fort Bonifacio, which includes the financial district of Bonifacio Global City or BGC and Embo barangays.
What is the Makati's claim about this?
Makati claims the main Bonifacio Global City area, Bonifacio Capital District, and that includes McKinley Hill, that lands along C5, and most parts of Palar Village and Fort Andres Bonifacio, to be under the jurisdiction of its barangays. Post proper north side and post proper south side, while Ususan's exclaves along the eastbound portion of C5 are also claimed by Barangay Rizal and Tembo. And Pateros also claims to control the Embo barangays of Makati and some barangays in Taguig. Pateros also claims includes Bonifacio Global City. However, the legal case is separate from the case involving Makati and Taguig.
News is that Makati and Taguig has reached the Supreme Court. What did the court say about the issue? And I hope that the dispute over the property of Makati and Taguig will be over.
Actually, the Supreme Court ruled with finality that Taguig has jurisdiction over Fort Bonifacio and the Embo barangays. The Embo barangays, which are still under control of Makati, are set to be ceded to Taguig. However, dispute regarding the ownership and management of Makati developed assets in the Embo barangays, especially public schools and hospitals, still persists. We don't need to worry anymore because the Supreme Court itself said that everyone who lives in the Embo barangay will actually move to Taguig.
Thank you, Mr. Linsangan. Thank you very much for the question you answered, Linsangan.
Thank you very much, and thank you for inviting me here on your show.
This is where the Celdo show ends.